Today, let's make pizza soup. Ingredients: tomatoes, however many you think you need to fill a pot, depending on what pot you're using. Slice it all up like that, and find a good blender to use and use that. I bought this one. Ninja. With auto IQ. Of course, you can't have pizza soup without garlic. And of course, salt. You can't forget some oregano, I guess. And, because I couldn't find it, we're using a toasted Ritz chip as a, sprinkle on top. Because, it's cheese flavored. Got some Italian sausage meat. Let's fry it up. In this video, I'm only using half. Because if it turns out bad, I don't want to waste good meat. So I'll fry that up first. And then I'll blend the tomatoes to a puree. Tomatoes are basically going to act as your broth. I'm only going to add a little salt. Before the after shot, let's set that aside away from the fire. Don't want it to burn. I put the dried oregano cooked in there too. We're going to take a handful of the Ritz and pulse it until it's powder to act as a cheesy sprinkle. Oh, look at that fine cheese dust. It doesn't matter if we left some in the blender. It'll give the tomatoes taste. Oh yeah. Before. After. Look how liquid that is. Optional is the sweet peppers and jalapenos. But I like living on the wild side. Looking pretty good so far, huh? Yeah. Among first tasting, it's pretty good. You definitely taste the sour tomatoes. But other than that, add a little more salt or chicken bouillon, and I think you have a hit on your hands. Added some chicken bouillon and some sugar. Then added the powdered chips. Added extra crackers on top as a texture. And my homemade pepper. Tastes like fall, dude. Dude, what? With the addition of my homemade pepper. Soup-wise, it tastes like I'm eating a pizza, a soup, and a salad. Bonkers.